Lhotse is the fourth highest mountain in the world. It stands at 8,516 meters, 27,940 feet above sea level, and is part of the Himalayas. Lhotse was first successfully summited on May 18, 1956. This achievement was made by Swiss climbers Ernst Reiss and Fritz Luchsinger. The successful ascent was part of the Swiss Everest expedition. During this expedition, climbers first summited Everest and then reached the top of Lhotse. Oxygen was used during the ascent. The climbers relied on oxygen cylinders to help breathe at high altitudes, which was crucial for summiting such high peaks at the time.